We can directly move on, sir. So let's start. Maybe I already covered this one yesterday. I can directly jumping. No recap. You guys can do. So when you are looking at the data, when you are looking at what exactly, sir, data. So there are three things. Kindly please understand. A statistician, how he can understand, can look at the data. The next one. So a ML engineer, how he can understand the data. The next one, third one will be CSE student actually, computer science student, how he can fit data to program, data to what exactly, data into code terminology actually. Code terminology, try to understand. Seems to be just a matter of 4 letters actually. What is that one? Data only, right? But let me tell you, statistician, the way how they look the data is different. So frankly speaking, imagine if you have given the data, they will try to find out the formulas. They will try to find out what, man? Formulas actually. That formulas they are going to teach to the ML algorithm, right? So the beauty is, and here statistician need to work manually, but ML engineer no need to work. Just to create a algorithm object name, then automatically the formulas will be embed actually. Embed in the sense, automatic fit. That is so called as a embed. The next one is called as a CSE student. Next one is called as what exactly mean? What do you mean by CSE? Computer science student actually. Okay, so CSE student. Now let me cover this one. So the very first definition. So statistical learning perspective, it is a context of hypothetical function. Can you tell me? Hypothetical. What do you mean by hypothetical? Did you cover yesterday? Yeah. The proposed explanation. Can you tell me? So do you want to prove something is right actually? Just explain. You need to explain. So proposed explanation is really required actually. Then that function is nothing but a math formula. The machine learning algorithm is trying to what exactly, sir? Learn. Maybe I have taken yesterday one small data, assuming that there is a farmer in village and initially he has a 1 acre land. While farming the rice, he get yields. Yields ante digubadi in Telugu exactly, right? And first column name is area. The next one is the rice packs actually. 1 acre, 10 rice packets. 2 acre, 20. 3 acres, 30 respectively. Now there is a suddenly one question. If farmer having 4 acres actually, then can you tell me how much rice packets he is going to get? 40. Then back end what happens, sir? So this is called as a historical data. This is called as what exactly? Historical data. From this historical data, there are some questions are raising. So there is no upcoming, so the 4 acres data is not available, but still we are trying to find out for what exactly 4 acres. Now please make a note, for 4 acres, how much Daniel actually? Obviously the answer will be non-technical person also can respond. No need to be ML engineer actual. How he will respond? Backend he applied one small formula. 1 acre equals to 1 into 10, 2 acres equals to 2 into 10, and 3 equals to 3 into 10 respectively. These are all values actually. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all inputs. These are all what, man? Inputs. The 10 value is called as a constant. 10 value is called as what exactly? Constant actually. I will tell you that constant is a coefficient. We will talk later. What do you mean by coefficient? Okay. So please understand 1 into 10, 2 into 2 into 10, 3 into 10 respectively, 4 into 10. Imagine for 5 acres. That's it. 5 into 10. 5 into 10. Now the simple formula. Now this is important. It important, Sajay. Let me take the data. Here onwards important. Area, rice packs. I would like to even say, this is input, this is output. Input also representing X and output is representing Y. 110, 220, 330, 440. Okay. Now the first formula, right? So please be focused. These are all formulas. What do you mean by formulas? Output equals to, can somebody help me? Input into some constant value. I mean to say 10 value. Ante kada? Good. Now we'll do one thing. Output. What is output here, Saji? Y. Oh, okay. Y equals to, cheptara. What is input actually? X. And 10 into X. You can just have to make a note. 10 into what exactly mean? X actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. So Y equals to, this is also called as a f of X. Chapana Saji? F of X. F of X actually. We'll see. Rice yield equals to land size into 10 value. Why machine learning algorithm learn this function? Why machine learning algorithm? For your simple better understanding, for what exactly mean? Prediction. Why ML algorithms actually? Prediction. We already covered, right? So machine learning algorithm. The machine learning is a subject. The subject having, bunch of algorithms. Group of algorithms would have. Output equals to f of input. Chapana Saji, output equals to what exactly mean? F of input. These are all respect to very good formulas. Output equals to, please be focused on this. Output equals to f of what exactly mean? Input actual. Can just have to, we can map like this. Next one. Columns are called as input variable. Okay. Prediction result is called as a output variable. Then the formula we are going to impute, output variable equals to f of what exactly mean? Input variable. That's cool. Just we need to extend this formula. That's it. Output variable equals to f of chaptara Saji input. That's it. Can I ask you a question? These are all formulas coming from what, Saji? Data. Coming from data actually. Please understand. Good. Go back. మీరు ఇంతకు ముందు ఫస్ట్ టైం డేటా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను చూసారా? యా. This snapshot. Now look at this snap actually. Yeah, please understand this. So did you understand here? Here what we are calling as a column 1, next one is column 2, next one column 3, row 1, row 2, row 3. General terminology, sir. What terminology? The moment once you are talking about the machine learning, no, stop using general terminology. This is so called as what exactly, Sarji? X1. What do you mean by X1? Feature 1. X1 means input 1. Chapana Sarji? Input 1. Next one, X2 means input 2. What do you mean by Y? That's it. Please understand actually. So that's what you need to be understand. Are you talking about the ML actually? Yeah, Daniel. Then first topic later, bring the terminology. Bring what exactly mean? Terminology. That terminology really matters actually. Input data may have more than one input variable. Yeah. So when I say input, don't think like only one input actually. Only one input and it is having 2 to 3 inputs also. What exactly, sir? 2 to 3 inputs. Can I take the same data? Same data తీసుకోమంటారా? Sure. Data having, this is just basic data, one input and what exactly, sir? One output. Let me take one more data. నేను ఇంకొక డేటా తీసుకుంటాను చూడండి. Having two inputs and what exactly, sir? One output. Can I take the first one? I would like to take area. The next one I would like to take pesticides or else weather condition. Pesticides, fertilizers, pesticides. Kada? Getting yields not only depend upon area, it depends on what, Saji? Yeah, what kind of fertilizers you are using actually. Then this is so called as a rice packs. Now please understand. So and so person having 1 acre, he applied a type of P, I mean to say P1, first type of fertilizers, and he got yield will be all, he got yield rice packets, 11 rice packets. How many, Saji? 11. That's it, okay. 2 acres. He used the second one is input to do. This one is what exactly? Output. Please focus on this. Input 1, input 2, output actual. X1 చెప్పండి, X2 Y. If you want, can I tell ఇంకొక డేటా చెప్పమంటారా? Yeah, Daniel, please. Having two inputs actually. The first one I can say experience. The next one I can say technology. The next one technology. Yeah, very good. Next one is what exactly, sir? Salary. Daniel, 1 year of experience. C programming language. What language actually? C programming language. $1K. Always compare your salary in dollars. Right. So the next one. Hello Daniel. 1 year of experience. Java. $3K. 1 year of experience. ML or else AI. Trust me, $10K actually. Then now here onwards, what exactly no? And $20K. 3 AI. The next one quantum actually. Let me talk about the quantum. 3 years, right? So no doubt at all, 70K. Make a note actually, right? So please ensure you have to understand, getting salary not only depend upon what Saji? Experience. It depends upon technology matters actually, right? So like this, you need to be understand input 1, చెప్పండి, input 2, the next one output. Also called as X1, X2. Now read the content. Sorry, మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఆ పాయింట్ అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు చదవండి. ఓకే, now you will understand. Input data may have more than one input variable. Practically I have shown. The next one, the group of input variables are called as a input vector, right? So output variable equals to input vector. Input what exactly meant? Vector. Now మీకు, so can I write? నేను మీకు ఒక ఫార్ములా రాయమంటారా? Good, Daniel, you can. Let me draw one diagram. నేను ఒక డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేస్తాను, చూడండి. I'm thinking in a best way. Hold on. First let me take this. ఇది తీసుకున్నాను చూడండి. Okay, so this is the first diagram. I need your help searching. What is the diagram, you know? చెప్తారా? First output equals to చెప్పండి సర్జీ, input, f of input. F of what exactly, sir? Input, అంతే కదా? F of input, I mean to say y equals to చెప్పండి సార్, y equals to f of x. F of what exactly? X. Good. We'll do one thing. కొంచెం give me some time. I will bring the best content. Now y, where is the y? Y ఎక్కడ ఉంది సార్? Here, where is the y? Here it is the y, Daniel. Then pull that actually. Then just have to bring this. Y equals to f of x. Y equals to, and here I wanted to write f of x. Where is x, Sachi? I'm planning for 2 to 3 diagrams. Maybe it is taking a little longer time. Let me stop here itself. That's what you need to be understand, Sachi. I believe you understand. It's a very simple. What I'm doing, where y is available, rice packs, and where x is available, x actually, we are just trying to imputing. We are just trying to substituting. What you are doing, Sajid? Substituting. Are you getting? Good. This is the one diagram. So I can say this one, first diagram. Are you okay with that fan? Inside the helicopter la tirutundi. If you want, that is okay. 17th. Today date? 20th. It's okay. One diagram is enough, sir. I'm planning for 2 to 3 diagrams. That's still okay. Just తగ్గించుకుంటారా? You stopped actually. Is it okay? No, I don't have any problem. If you want, you can. Good. Let's move on. Where are we? Output variable equals to f of what exactly, sir? Input variable. Input variable, if it is having group of columns, if it is having what, such a group of columns, that is called as a vector. Daniel, what do you mean by vector? Simple, think like a array. Think like a data frame. Think like what, such a data frame. Don't think too much. So go back here. Always your view, you have to view the data, inspect the data with respect to the data frame. That's it. With respect to what, Saji? If it is a data frame, we know how to convert into array. We know how to convert into what, Saji? Array. We are doing practically during ML. We are doing. Don't worry. Now the terminology. Input variable also called as a independent variable. Output variable also called as a good. You can just have to come here. Now can I include here itself actually? Independent. Saji? Independent variable. This is so called as a dependent variable. Sorry, dependent variable actually. Move on please. And the output variable also called as a dependent variable. So here output is dependent on what exactly? Function of input actually. You can understand this statement later. Dependent variable equals to f of what exactly, sir? Independent variable. Input variable is representing with x and output variable representing with y. Now final formula we got it. Y equals to f of x. Chappan Sarji, y equals to? We got it actually. We got it. If you have a multiple input variable, then it is representing with x1, x2, x3. I mean to say column 1, column 2, column 3 respectively. We can move on actually. You guys understand, I guess. The next one, computer science terminology. A row is an entity or observation or instance, an object in a table. A column is called as an attribute. Column is called as what exactly, sir? Attribute actually. During modeling the predictions, input is called as input attribute. Input attribute actually. This is the coding terminology. Output is called as output attribute. Then is it important? No, not important. Unimportant in kadu. But this formula is important. What formula, Daniel? Y equals to f of x is important. Where is that? Y equals to f of x. I thought somewhere I have written y equals to f of x. Okay. Y equals to f of what exactly, sir? X. That's still okay. Either capital X, lower x as of now. Good. Next one, output equals to program into input feature and prediction output equals to program into what exactly, sir? Instance. And here model will come actually in ML perspective. This definition you can easy to understand. Model equals to algorithm into data. Get ready, sir. Model equals to what exactly, sir? Algorithm into data. Important definition. Within that. Can I close this? Oh, learning function. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes discussion, we can close this. Say heading actually. Data algorithm తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఏమని రాయాలి? Learning function రాయాలి. Go back. Here. Other. Types of model. It's a very small topic, sir. Don't worry. Okay. Types of the model. Okay. Let's move on. let's move on. Daniel, simple question, why machine learning? Can somebody answer in a single word? Very good. To do what, man? We can also call as it's not a good prediction. Not a what exactly, sir? Good prediction. Malli cheptanu chudandi. Imagine, why machine learning, Daniel? Daniel, to do the prediction. Good. Then prediction may have error. Why? Because 100% prediction is what exactly, man? Highly impossible, sir. Highly impossible actually. Then, but let me tell you, then prediction may have what exactly, sir? Error. Now, are you talking about the error? Yeah, Daniel. Error, small error possible, large error possible. I done prediction. Prediction having the small error, good prediction. I'll show you practically. Daniel, I done prediction. Prediction may have large error actually. If it is a large error, talk with me. Bad prediction. Can I take one example? Okay, example is commenter. Are you clear? First of all, good. Let's move on. ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుంటాను చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాట్ డు మీన్ బై లెర్నింగ్ ఫంక్షన్? లెర్నింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే finding the mapping function in between input and output. ML algorithms will find